In this video, let us learn how to do Vinyasa Bhastrika. Vinyasa Bhastrika in the sense, this is not a traditional way of Bhastrika, but some people, they cannot do traditional way of Bhastrika for a longer time. Some people find it, uh, some people can do only few rounds and then they feel like stopping it. I don't know why, but I have seen it with a lot of people. But this variation, they can do it for longer time. But practice this for few months only. Once the body mind is ready, then you can do a traditional way of Bhastrika. So how to do this? First variation is like this. Okay, inhale, exhale. Okay, you can either make a fist or you can release and keep it like this. Anything is fine. Inhale, exhale. Like this. This is the first variation. And the second variation is like this. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay. So how to do this? If you're a beginner, if you're new to this, do 20 counts. Okay, each variation 20 counts. After finishing 20 counts, the next round, take a deep breath and hold it this way. And then exhale slowly. And then again 20 rounds. Okay, and then again Kumbhaka. This is how you should do. As I said, if you're new to this, maybe you can do maximum 100 counts or more than sufficient. If you can't, I'm not asking you to do 100 counts. You can do up to 100 counts. Maybe you can start with the 20 counts or 40 counts or 60 counts. And then after every 20 counts, do Kumbhaka. And then again 20 counts, again Kumbhaka. 20 counts Kumbhaka. That's how you have to do. After that, maybe as I said, after few months, you can do traditional way of Bhastrika. How you don't have to use your hands there. This is how you should do. And then you need to do Kumbhaka. Take a deep breath. Hold it. And then exhale slowly. Kumbhaka, you can hold it. You have to hold it as long as possible. You don't have to have a certain, time actually. It differs from person to person. Observe your body based on your capacity. Hold it 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 30 seconds, up to body's capacity. This is traditional way of Bhastrika. Practice this regularly to get the benefits out of this.